I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking video, silly. No, you gotta hold on. Are you getting cold?
No. I'm just being silly.
You are silly. So do you know where we are? Do you know what lake this is?
No.
You're fishing in Lake Huron.
Awesome.
Do you know where we were swimming yesterday?
No.
Lake
Michigan.
Very good.
I knew that.
You know where we're going tomorrow?
No way.
Lake Superior.
Cool, man.
Keep reeling.
Maybe we caught a fish or not. Or maybe we still got dough balls.
Yep, we're using dough balls, not worms, aren't we?
No, we should use worms next time. The fish like to eat worms.
Is it all gone or is it still on there? Okay.
Maybe outside.
I'll cast for you, okay?
Ready to cast, Mom?
Alright, just a second.
Do it real far, like
Is the
on
bridge
the
lit up yet?
bridge. Yeah. Do it
You think
real
I can
far.
reach the bridge?
Huh? Look, it lit up.
When did it light up? A minute ago?
Baby, take care.